Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's recipe is for simple chicken and chorizo risotto. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now we take a large saucepan, we put it onto a medium heat, and we add some diced chorizo. Then we add some onion. You don't need any oil because the oil from the chorizo will help cook the onion. It will also release a smoky flavour and give the risotto a much better flavour. So now that our onions are softened and translucent, we're going to add some crushed garlic. Give that a quick stir around, just to make sure that the garlic's cooked for 1 minute. Just don't let it burn. Then we're going to add the chicken breasts. So it's just diced chicken breast, and then some diced peppers. Give that a stir around, let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes, just until the chicken's nearly cooked through. Now we're going to add some frozen peas, some chopped cherry tomatoes. Give that a stir around, make sure that everything's covered with the flavour from the chorizo. Now we're going to add the Arborio rice. Just add it in, give it a quick stir again. You want everything to be flavoured, and you want the rice to be glistening just with the oil from the chorizo. Now we're going to add our chicken stock. Obviously homemade is best, but if not, just use a stock cube. Again, give that a quick stir around, just to get everything, all the flavours incorporated. Make sure everything's coated in the stock. Now we're going to pop the lid on and just let it cook for 20 minutes. Not like a normal risotto where you have to stir all the time. This one just comes really creamy after we add the cream cheese. So as you can see, our rice is plumped up, most of the stock is reduced, and now it's time to make it creamy. So take the cream cheese, just pop it in, give it a stir around until it's all melted. As you can see, unlike an ordinary risotto, this goes really creamy, but you don't have to stand over it all the time. And now it's time to serve our chicken and chorizo risotto. So now we take our chicken and chorizo risotto, pop it into a bowl or onto a plate. Now I like to serve mine with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese and some freshly crushed black pepper. Now folks, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in my further videos. And again, thanks for watching.